you guys, so I'm here and I want to talk to you guys all about this Bluetooth label maker. All right, so this is going to be absolutely great for those 4x6 labels. So a couple things that it comes with. So it does come with the label maker. One thing I like with it is the size of it, so very portable. You can see back here the power cord, which it does come with the power cord. Okay. And so it also comes with the USB connector. And so this one would connect right into there, and then it plugs in via USB, especially, which is going to be absolutely great for your computer. And you can see the on and off switch there, and then where the paper feeds in. And then these are also going to adjust depending on the size of the labels that you do have. One thing that's nice is it does come with this stand to be able to have for the labels, and it also comes with the labels. And the nice thing I like with it is you know what side goes down, because it says this should face down. And so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to walk you guys through how to get this set up with your computer and then also with your phone. Your next step is going to be putting in the USB to download the driver. When you click on the label, you're going to be able to go to manage, and you're going to be able to adjust it how you would like to. But one thing is you then can click set as default, so that will be the default label maker.